All right, today's lesson in science is on lesson 4. This is on shadows, okay? Shadows are basically the blocking of light, okay? In the morning, you're going to have the sunrise in the east, and your shadow is going to go this way, to the right, to the left, okay? Your shadow is going to be longer than you, okay? In the afternoon, sun's going to be up above, your shadow is going to be the shortest. When the sun is starting to set, your shadow is going to be on the other side and in the east side, and it's going to be the longer one, okay? The shadow is actually partial darkness. Now, in here in class, we talked about it. We had Luke Stanton stand up. We found numerous shadows from him. And the reason why is because there's 12 lights in here. So he may be getting one shadow from one light, and another shadow from another light, and another shadow from another light. But he's also getting light going to each one of those shadows, so the shadows really aren't that dark. But when we turned off the lights and I had the shadow coming from the projector up here, it was a lot more vivid. Now, when we talk about shadows, we talk about them as the stopping of a ray of light. When we go over what a ray is, in math, going to math, a line goes in both directions and it never ends. Okay? A line segment has a beginning and an ending, but it's a straight line with a beginning and an ending. A ray has a beginning but no ending, where it goes in one direction forever and ever. It starts someplace. Now, when they're talking about rays, light rays, you have a source, that is your starting point, and then the ray goes from there. So here on Earth, we have one source of light, which is the sun, and we have rays that are shooting down from it. Those rays are rays of light. When the light has something in the way, it gets blocked. And so on the other side, that's where the shadow is formed, where light is blocked or light is absorbed by that object. The closer that you are to the source, so when we had it on up here, when I put my hand up closer to the source of light, my hand was huge. When I brought my hand away and closer to where the shadow actually was being cast, it was more life size, more like size too. Okay? Now, shadows will be cast according to where the light is. So in the morning and in the afternoon, you're going to have longer shadows than you would when it's in the afternoon and straight overhead. Okay? This is very, very basic. It's very easy. In math, I sit and tell you, all right, this is going to be a tough lesson. This is going to be super simple. This one is super simple in science. Okay? It's just a matter of reading it, looking at it, thinking about it, and then you get it. Okay? Luke?